CO2 lasers treat an incredible amount of skin disorders and aging issues all at the same time. It not only tightens sagging skin and smoothens out deep wrinkles, it is also able to resurface the skin and remove acne scars, dark aging spots, uneven pigmentation, and repair sun-damaged skin. Tiny and precise laser beams are systematically infused with microscopic heat channels, stimulating new collagen production in the skin tissue below the surface. In this particular patient, we are addressing her concerns of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation due to acne, large pores, and uneven skin tone. It is pretty comfortable during the procedure, and downtime lasts for about 3 to 5 days, where peeling occurs. Post-care treatment is pretty simple. Always remember to keep your skin hydrated with lots of moisturizer, hydrating mask, and never ever forget to apply sunblock.